evaluation of IT, then we completed evaluation of VMware. Then let's try to understand evaluation of VxRail. Okay, so evaluation of VxRail means this, VMware VxRail has been introduced in the year of 2016. This was an official announcement stating that, yeah, we have a product called VxRail with vSAN. If you procure this product, you no need to procure external storage. That was the initial announcement came. That is new, right? Because till that time period, most of that clients are using rack servers with the fiber channel switch, which is connecting to a fiber channel storage, which is a bit complex. And also we need an storage team to manage that, right? In 2016, they're saying that you no need a storage administrator and you no need to have a fiber channel switch. You no need to have external storage. Instead, we have a server which has enough capacity in that, like hard disk with some terabytes of availability. You can use and combine all those hard disks inside those servers to create a software defined storage. That's how they introduced the product. So let's go further. So before 2016, uh, from where this hardware came? Because 2016 it was named as VxRail, but before that this product was there, but it was not there with Dell. It was with a different vendor. Okay, let's understand who is that vendor. So EMC is the vendor who owned this VxRail product before it has been renamed as VxRail. Okay, earlier this server has been named as not server, appliance has been named as VSPEX Blue Hyperconverged. This was a product initially introduced by EMC. Okay, that is in the year of 2014. Okay. So how it reaches VMware? Because when they have the product, because you know about VMC, right? EMC is the primary vendor for storage, not for servers, right?
Right.
But using their storage technology, what they did is, they created a server, with some high-end storage. Till that time period, no one has offered, that much of storage in a single server. So EMC is the first vendor who offered the product with high-end storage on a single server with the name of vSPEX Blue. Okay. Now, in 2014, they introduced, but at the end of 2014, VMware has called for a program. Okay, that program name is called VMware VxRail. Okay, so they invited many vendors. Okay, and they explained about the software-defined storage concept. They told that we are going to launch a software-defined storage, but we need all the vendor support. To use their hardware for software-defined storage. Because till that time period, all the vendors manufacture their servers to connect with external storage. Okay, when they need to design a server which meets the requirement of vSAN, then they need to have a good partnership with VMware, right? So they invited all the major vendors. Okay, and most of the vendors joined that program, and they started developing their own servers for this VxRail. Okay, so VxRail means they have given expansion during that period itself. It's called as evaluation, reliable, adaptive, integrated plus lifecycle management. This is called as VxRail. Okay, so let's try to understand who are all the vendors participated in that program. So Dell EMC, they are one of that vendor who involved in that program, and they have their own product called vSPEX Blue. Later, it has been renamed to VxRail. And NetApp. NetApp also has a product called NetApp VxRail, but that has been discontinued in 2016. Then Hitachi Data System. They have the product called Hitachi UCP SCBM. Okay, this is also part of that VxRail program. Then Hewlett Packard, they sold us, HP VxRail. but immediately they discontinued in 2015 itself because they become the competitor here because they released the product called HP Simplicity. HP Simplicity is also on hyper-converged, right? So that's why they discontinued this HP VxRail. Then super microcomputers, you know about Supermicro. Supermicro is one of that hardware manufacturing
Chip
company.
they used to.
Yeah,
Right.
who is
They used
offering
to.
server for Nutanix.
Okay.
Okay. So because Nutanix didn't have their own manufacturing unit, they are procuring servers from the third parties only. And when the server comes as Nutanix logo, it is the server of Supermicro.
Mm-hmm.
And in Spur China, that is also having participated in this program. Then Fujitsu, it is sold as Fujitsu VxRail. Then Cisco. See, all these major vendors has participated in the program, and one vendor, who is staying in the market from 2014 to till now is this Dell EMC VxRail. So I just added a note here. Today, VxRail is the only remaining major VxRail derived product now deeply integrated with VCF. Rest of the vendors are got failed in the market. Okay, because they didn't show much interest on this area. It's VxRail who shown much interest and they captured the market. Okay, so now you have an idea how VxRail has been introduced in VxRail. Before VxRail, it was named as initially EvoRail, right? Later on, once that product, after conducting some R&D and testing, once they confirmed that, okay, this product is going to work, they renamed that product as VxRail and they launched in the market. Okay. So before VxRail, it was VxSpecs Blue. So in the meantime, what happened between Dell and EMC is because, as I told you, EMC is a product of, sorry, VSpecs is a product of EMC. So in 2016, Dell has acquired EMC. Now this VSpecs product belongs to Dell, right? Because they acquired EMC. So what they did is 2016, this EMC VSpecs has been renamed to VxRail. That's how VxRail came in the market.
This intensive, hands-on training program is designed to provide comprehensive knowledge and practical experience with VMware VxRail. The course focuses on the deployment, configuration, management, and troubleshooting of VxRail components, enabling participants to confidently build and operate a modern, integrated hyper-converged infrastructure. The training consists of 40 learning hours, and we offer two flexible options to suit your schedule: a 5-day fast track for those who want to complete the course quickly, or a 1-month regular track for a more paced approach. We also offer flexible timings based on individual availability to ensure the best learning experience. This training is delivered entirely online, so you can join from anywhere with ease. For any inquiries or to enroll, please contact us at 93619136611. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SMS Tech Desk, for more tech tutorials, updates, and training content. We look forward to learning with you.